Rumi, the 13th century Sufi mystic and poet, illuminates a profound path to divine union. His words, filled with wisdom and love, have transcended time, offering guidance to countless seekers on their spiritual journeys. He teaches that to be in the company of saints is to be in the very presence of God. This divine companionship is not just a metaphor, but a living reality that can transform one's life.
Saints, those who have purified their hearts and attained spiritual enlightenment, are like mirrors reflecting the divine light. Their lives are testimonies of unwavering faith and deep spiritual insight. They act as conduits of divine grace, channeling the love and wisdom of the divine to those around them. Their very presence can uplift and inspire, creating an atmosphere charged with spiritual energy. Their presence radiates love, wisdom, and a palpable connection to the divine. This connection is not just felt, but experienced deeply, often leading to profound personal transformations.
Rumi urges seekers to seek out such companionship, for it is in their presence that the heart awakens. The heart, often burdened by worldly concerns, finds solace and rejuvenation in the company of saints. In their presence, the heart awakens, shedding layers of ego and illusion. This awakening is a gentle yet powerful process, drawing the soul closer to the beloved. The soul, in its quest for the divine, finds a kindred spirit in the saint, and together they journey towards the ultimate union with the divine.
Rumi emphasizes that spiritual growth is rarely a solitary endeavor. The path to God is a shared journey, enriched by the presence and support of fellow seekers. The path to God is fraught with challenges, distractions, and the ever-present ego. These obstacles can be daunting, but the company of saints provides a guiding light. The company of saints provides invaluable support, guidance, and inspiration. Their wisdom, born of experience, offers a roadmap through the complexities of the spiritual path.
They have traversed the spiritual terrain and can offer wisdom gleaned from their own experiences. This wisdom is not theoretical but practical, grounded in the realities of the spiritual journey. Their presence serves as a beacon, illuminating the path and reminding us of the ultimate goal, union with the divine. This illumination is a constant reminder of the divine presence in our lives.
Seek out those who can elevate your spirit, whose presence brings out the best in you. These individuals are like anchors, grounding you in the spiritual reality, whose presence inspires you to do good deeds, to act with compassion and love. Their influence extends beyond words, touching the very core of your being, in whose company you feel closer to God. This closeness is a gift, a reminder of the divine love that permeates all of existence.
He stresses that true saints are not necessarily those who have renounced the world, but rather those who have renounced their attachment to the ego. This detachment allows them to live in the world without being of the world, but rather those who have renounced their attachment to the ego. This renunciation is a profound act of surrender, allowing the divine to flow through them unimpeded. They live in the world yet remain detached from its illusions. This detachment is not indifference, but a deep understanding of the transient nature of worldly concerns.
The company of good people is like the shop of a musk seller. The fragrance of their goodness permeates the air, leaving a lasting impression. Even if you don't buy anything, you will still benefit from the fragrance. This subtle influence can transform your inner landscape, filling it with the scent of divine love.
Similarly, being in the company of saints infuses the seeker with their spiritual fragrance, subtly transforming their being. This transformation is a gentle process, unfolding naturally over time, subtly transforming their being and drawing them closer to the divine. This closeness is the ultimate goal, the union with the divine that Rumi so eloquently speaks of. Just as the company of saints uplifts and guides, Rumi cautions against the perils of isolation on the spiritual path. The presence of enlightened beings provides a beacon of light, illuminating the way forward and offering wisdom that can only be gained through experience. He warns that isolating oneself from the community of seekers, particularly the guidance of saints, can lead to spiritual stagnation and delusion. The journey of the soul is not meant to be a solitary endeavor. It thrives in the company of others who share the same quest for truth and enlightenment.
Without the grounding influence of those who have already traversed the path, the ego can easily run rampant, distorting our perception of reality. The ego, unchecked, can lead us astray, making us believe we are progressing when we are, in fact, standing still or even regressing, leading to self-deception and a distorted understanding of spiritual truths. In isolation, our thoughts can become an echo chamber, reinforcing our misconceptions and preventing us from seeing the bigger picture.
Rumi uses the analogy of a mirror to illustrate this point. Just as a mirror reflects our physical appearance, our interactions with others reflect our inner state, revealing aspects of ourselves that we might otherwise overlook.
If you want to see your face, you need a mirror. Similarly, if you want to understand your soul, you need the reflection provided by a friend or a spiritual companion. If you want to see your soul, look at a friend. True friends act as mirrors, reflecting our true selves back to us with honesty and compassion.
Just as a mirror reflects our physical appearance, true friends and spiritual companions reflect our inner state, revealing our strengths and weaknesses with clarity and compassion. They help us see ourselves more clearly, offering insights that we might miss on our own, revealing our strengths and weaknesses with clarity and compassion. In their company, we find the courage to face our flaws and the inspiration to cultivate our virtues.
Isolation, on the other hand, can create a breeding ground for spiritual arrogance and delusion. When we are alone, it is easy to fall into the trap of believing that our limited perspective is the ultimate truth. Without the checks and balances of a supportive community, we can easily become convinced of our own righteousness, mistaking our limited understanding for enlightenment. The presence of others challenges us, keeps us humble, and helps us grow.
Do not be alone with yourself for even a moment. Seek the company of those who uplift and inspire you, for they will help you stay true to your path. For in solitude, the ego whispers sweet lies, and the heart forgets its true purpose. The isolation can make us lose sight of our goals and lead us astray.
He emphasizes that the spiritual path is not meant to be traveled in isolation. It is a journey that flourishes in the company of others, where shared experiences and collective wisdom pave the way. It is a journey of connection, of shared aspirations and mutual support. Together, we can achieve heights that would be impossible to reach alone.
By surrounding ourselves with like-minded seekers, and most importantly, the guiding light of saints, we ensure that our journey is one of continuous growth and enlightenment. We create a fertile ground for spiritual growth and transformation. In the company of others, our spiritual seeds are nurtured, and we blossom into our highest potential.
The presence of saints, according to Rumi, is a catalyst for spiritual awakening. Their mere existence serves as a beacon of light, guiding those who seek deeper understanding and connection with the divine. In their presence, one can feel a shift in energy, a subtle yet profound change that stirs the soul and awakens the spirit. Their being emanates a subtle energy, a divine grace that permeates the very atmosphere around them. This energy is not just felt, but experienced on a deeply personal level, touching the core of one's being and igniting a spark of divine love and wisdom. This grace has the power to soften hardened hearts, awaken dormant souls, and illuminate the path to truth. It acts as a gentle yet powerful force, dissolving barriers and opening the heart to new possibilities and deeper understanding.
Simply being in their presence can spark profound insights, heal emotional wounds, and ignite the fire of divine love within. It is as if their very essence carries a healing balm, soothing the soul and bringing a sense of peace and clarity.
Rumi often describes this phenomenon as a transmission of spiritual knowledge and energy that transcends words and intellectual understanding. It is a silent communication, a transfer of wisdom that bypasses the mind and speaks directly to the heart. It is a heart-to-heart connection, a merging of souls in the ocean of divine love. This connection fosters a sense of unity and belonging, reminding us of our inherent oneness with all of creation.
The heart that has been touched by the divine is like a kindled fire. It burns with a radiant light, spreading warmth and love to all who come into contact with it. It radiates warmth and light, illuminating the path for others to follow. This light serves as a guide, helping others navigate their own spiritual journeys with greater ease and clarity.
This illumination is not merely intellectual, it is experiential. It is felt in the depths of one's being, bringing a sense of peace, joy, and profound understanding. In the presence of saints, one may find themselves overcome with feelings of love, peace, or a deep sense of belonging. These feelings are a testament to the transformative power of grace, a gift that touches the heart and soul in ways that words cannot fully capture. Old patterns of thought and behavior may dissolve, replaced by a newfound clarity and a longing for deeper connection with the divine. This transformation is a journey, a process of shedding old layers and embracing a new way of being.
This is the transformative power of grace, a gift freely given by those who have aligned themselves with the divine will. It is a reminder that we are all capable of experiencing this grace, of opening our hearts to the divine and allowing its light to guide us. Furthermore, the company of saints fosters a sense of understanding and belonging that can be difficult to find elsewhere. Their presence offers a sanctuary, a safe space where one can explore their spiritual path without fear or judgment.
They have grappled with the same spiritual questions, confronted their own shadows, and emerged from the crucible of transformation with hearts overflowing with compassion and wisdom. Their journey serves as an inspiration, a testament to the power of grace and the potential for transformation within us all. Their presence reminds us that we are not alone on this journey, that others have walked this path before us and emerged victorious. It is a comforting thought, a reminder that we are all connected, all part of the same divine tapestry. Central to Rumi's teachings is a profound embrace of humanity in all its complexities. He saw divinity reflected in every human being, regardless of their beliefs, background, or social standing. He believed that beneath the surface of our apparent differences lies a shared essence, a spark of the divine that unites us all.
Rumi's poetry is replete with verses that celebrate the beauty and diversity of human existence. He urges us to look beyond outward appearances and recognize the divine spark within each person we encounter.
Every being in the universe is a book about you, a story about you. Look attentively at everything. Everything is a sign of you.
This all-encompassing love extended to those who had strayed from the path, the marginalized, and even those who opposed his views. He believed that everyone, regardless of their actions, carried the potential for redemption and spiritual growth. His compassion knew no bounds, embracing the entirety of human experience with open arms.
Come, come, whoever you are. Wanderer, worshipper, lover of leaving. It doesn't matter. Ours is not a caravan of despair. Come. Even if you have broken your vows 1,000 times, come yet again, come.
These words encapsulate the essence of Rumi's message, a message of radical inclusivity, unwavering love, and the boundless potential for spiritual transformation that resides within every